I love to help ladies go from frustration to fabulous because I know what it's like. I was frustrated years ago when I began learning free motion quilting. Hello, I'm so glad that you're here. I'm Geraldine Wilkins, the Living Water Quilter, and I imagine you're here because you are ready. Your group is ready to create a machine quilting event that will help quilters in your group learn free motion quilting and acrylic ruler quilting. I put together fabulous beginner classes for both free motion quilting and acrylic ruler quilting, which is guided free motion. If you haven't had time to look at my bio, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I started quilting way back in 2006. I joined a local group, and from there I got hooked on free motion quilting. I learned some of the basics of the machines that I needed, the tools that I needed for success. And I now share this with others. And I can't wait to do that for your group, for both free motion and acrylic ruler quilting. If your group is a little bit more advanced, they know free motion, they've dabbled in ruler quilting, and they're ready to start learning how to design, make beautiful free motion quilting designs, I can do that. You want to make ruler quilting designs, you have all these rulers, but you don't know what to do with them. Well, guess what? I can help you with that too. I can help your group learn not only as a beginner, but as an intermediate or advanced quilter, learn how to take these skills to create beautiful designs on your quilts. And I make it easy. So much so that I've been able to teach at national quilt shows like Paducah, QuiltCon, and the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza with Quilt Fest. I can't wait to do that for your group. So don't wait. Contact me as soon as possible. I'll send you information about the workshops, what it's like to have a lecture and workshop experience with me, Geraldine Wilkins, the Living Water Quilter. I look forward to hearing from you.